How much do they pay?
That's a good question. Each company is different.
What's like the average?
Average.
What kind of license do you need?
Well, for this one, you need a Class A driver license.
And you need experience?
Yeah, they require 5 years experience.
Oh wow. How much do they pay?
That's a good question. Each company is different.
What's like the average?
Average between $30 and $40 an hour.
Nice. So you would recommend it to other people?
I mean, it's something that they love to do. Yeah, why not?
How many hours do you get per week?
This type of business is more than 40 hours a week because it's kind of demanding.
Is it union?
Nah,
Okay.
this type of business.
How did you get your license?
I had to go to classes to get the license.
You went to school for it. Okay. What company is this? Can you say?
Canada.
Okay. All right. Thank you. I appreciate you.
Okay.
Well, good luck.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Pretty cool. It is a nice Peterbilt. It is pretty nice.